Sorry. Uh, good evening and welcome to mm, uh, learn to trade learn to trade. This is I'm not a financial advisor. This is purely educational, even though I don't know the educational value of this, but still, this is not a financial advising, nor am I a financial advisor. Okay, um, basically, like I have tweeted, there's not much that has changed since I've made the last one. Mm, I wanted to show the current scheme and how I see it, and what are the possibilities, and how will they affect where I stand currently. So, as I have tweeted uh, weeks ago already, I I believe that we are in this uh, green 4, which is the wave that is pinned in my tweet. It's pinned tweet. So we are in this fourth wave, and I believe it will form a nice ABC pattern. And currently, I see us still in this B phase. Usually in B waves, the volume is relatively very low. As you can see, it's very low, even though it looks like we are making powerful moves. But when you look at the overall volume, it's pretty low. So in any case, we are correcting something. That's certain thing. So I see us in this B wave, and in this B wave, I see this as A wave. Uh, you can basically make another count to make that, but that doesn't look completely shit. So just as possible to be like that, or it can be a three-wave structure, but I don't think it is. I think it's a classical five wave A. So there's A and there's B, uh, and that this last one is C. And how I look at this C currently, mm, there are two possibilities how to look at this, and this ugly one is one of them, and I will concentrate on that first. So as this would be the C wave, last wave of this B, which I then have to draw the ending there. Um, why I actually draw the ending there? Because that then this is A, this is B, this is C. Then this C would be one-to-one relations to this A if it ends there at 30, 34.55. So that's why I have that line there. And okay, yes. So let's look at this C wave. So this C wave with its 5 subwaves. Okay, so if we make assumption that we are still going to get that line, we almost did get that line, so technically this is already okay. We don't have to sorry, the peanuts are tickling my throat. So we don't technically, we are already reached the area we were expecting, so basically we don't have to go there. But if we make the hypothesis that we will make go there, then it's perfectly logical that we could go there like this. So uh, here we have completed the third wave of the C wave, so C3, and the fourth wave as a whole would be then this triangle A, B, C, D, E. But I have uh, drawn it there, but basically you can draw it any way you like. But the retracement is that, and the extension starts from the point where it ends. So then it would be also, I don't know how to explain that, but if we want to make a relation to that first wave from that ending of the E, it would be approximately uh, approximately on that level, and it's almost almost the same as where we were already. So it's nearly a double bottom or a little bit extended to there, and that's makes sense. So there's still a possibility for us to go there like this. But what I'm suspicious about this count is that it doesn't look doesn't look good. It doesn't look clean. I don't like the. Uh, sorry, I have to eat. I don't like the looks of it. So mm, if we want to make the so-called good-looking count, then it would be like this. And compared to that last one, this looks more sensible. If we move the time frame to higher time frames, then it looks more even more sensible. But this is the so-called logical count, and then this would be already the start of the move up as this bigger orange C wave. So why don't I care what this is? I don't actually. It's meaningless to me now because I'm short from uh, as you know, if you have followed me, I'm short from 39.30 already, and my main purpose is to fill my shorts more as we go higher to uh, 4600, or if if we don't go there, I will close those shorts near 3k. So, and also I'm in a relatively small hedge long position, and if we go down straight without going to 46, I will get stopped with it, but it's a relatively small amount, so it's okay, as last hedge long position made me a nice profit, so I just might as well lose this one if we go down, because I will win from my main short. And if we happen to pump to the 46, which would be very very nice thing, then my hedge long will give me a nice profit. But of course, when we go above 4k, my short starts to earn me a loss, but I don't care because like I said, my main goal is to fill more of them. So in any case, I don't consider myself losing anything uh, at the moment. If we start to pump for any reason above 6k, then I will get stopped also from my I will get stopped before that, but then I will be stopped from my short also, and that's not also problem. Then I just have to change my account. But now you know why it doesn't really bother me where this goes. It's basically all the same. I would be, of course, uh, it would be nicest thing for me if we would go down to this level, this area once more, with low volume. Then I might close even those shorts because I would make over 10% profit from them. But it depends how we go there, and it also depends if I'm awake to watch it over. If I'm not, then I'm not gonna close them. Yes, but we just have to see what happens. In any case, it's nice to follow follow what happens. I still believe strongly that we will go up to that level. I don't see much obstacles to that. And then we are formed this nice, pretty bull flag to ourselves. And once we reach that point, we have formed a nice little, or not so little anymore, nice bear flag. And this will be a big ABC bear flag as a fourth wave. Oh, this will be nice when it breaks down, because we have not, in my opinion, bottomed yet, and it's quite possible that we don't even bottom this year. Or if we do bottom, we don't see all-time highs. I don't believe we see them in a few years, but you gotta be optimistic if you're holding your coins. Uh, Remember, if you are holding, you should not watch these videos. They may bring you some anxiety, or they may piss you off because you think you know fundamental stuff that I don't know. I don't care about fundamentals or news. They are irrelevant for the price. Uh, what comes to the trend, where the price is going, are insignificant things. Um, Bitcoin can go as low as like $20 per Bitcoin. If you disagree and you say it's impossible, then you are not, at least yet, a trader, or you have no idea how the markets work. So nothing is impossible. Even on the upper side, anything is possible. So keep your eyes open, and keep your mind open, and uh, do not trade. uh, you can trade with pen and paper and fake money, but do not trade. You will lose, and you will learn the hard way, as I have learned years ago, twice. But that's a history from almost 10 years ago, so I try not to remember those. Sorry, I started babbling again, but to point out that nothing's basically changed, and we are still here, and we're still believing that we will go up, even if we make a smaller push down before that. This pattern here is still uncertain. Is this so-called final distribution before going up? Final distribution before going a small move down and then up? Or are we already in kind of accumulation phase and already going up? So in any case, I see us going up. But we shall see how this plays out in the end. Okay, good night. Thanks for watching.